What's going on, Sneak Geeks? Welcome back to another video for the one time, man. I am extremely geeked for this. This has to be probably the most expensive to date Kobe that I've purchased. I mean, these might be up there with probably the most, this is probably the second most expensive pair that I've gotten. I have really hooped in these big time. I might have paid around, I don't know, it was a lot. Let me just say that. If you look these up, I think they dropped in price. They're not as expensive as they used to be, but maybe they are, I'm not exactly sure. And of course, a lot of you guys know I'm a huge Kobe fan, man. I even got lucky and I hit on the Nike exclusive. It dropped on a few other sites, jersey with the 8 on the front and 24 on the back. So that jersey is tough. I don't know how I hit on it. I actually got it on sneakers. But these, huge shout out to Mag Park in Burbank. And I just can't wait to see them. Obviously, Kobe week is over and it took a while to get these in. And even though I had gotten these, I was still going for every pair and struck out, man. It kind of sucks because the bots really did eat up everything. I know a few of you guys tweeted me and told me yo, Mike, I hit on these, or maybe even got lucky and hit on the Undefeated. Retail on these was $410 after everything was said and done. No, this is fire. So you got the Undefeated on the front. This is a huge box, by the way. Very similar to the Just Don box. And then what's really cool about it is you have the Air, but you have the Mamba logo right in between the Air, so that's tough. And then obviously another Undefeated logo. So let's crack this bad boy open, man. I've been waiting to see what these look like. Ooh. So what's really cool about these is actually the meaning behind them. Go ahead and start with the What If pair. I'm not really sure which pair I like more because I haven't seen them in hand, but dang. Tough. When Kobe was drafted, he wasn't the first pick. There was about 13 different teams. You guys know the Charlotte Hornets actually ended up picking him up. So this is just kind of a combination of all those different teams that What If Kobe had went to. Nike did an amazing job executing this concept. It makes me wonder if they had these already pre-planned before. But on the inside of the shoe, you actually have 1996, Philadelphia was #1, Toronto, Vancouver, Milwaukee, Minnesota, Boston, Los Angeles, New Jersey, Dallas, Indiana, Oakland, and Cleveland all passed on him. And then the 13th pick from the Charlotte Hornets actually went to Kobe Bryant. And with that, we have a bunch of different materials that obviously go along with those teams. Get on the back with the Air and the Kobe symbol and Undefeated. Honestly, just a fire concept. I love these. And what's even better is that they just put really premium materials on the shoe. You guys can even see the fabric is raised in the way it's stitched. And then we have, ooh, I'm all over the place. Then we have these, and then that nice gold throughout the shoe. Tough, super tough. Now, as far as the next pair, I have 13 Charlotte in blue. And I might actually like these the most. So here is the second pair, obviously dedicated to the Charlotte Hornets who picked up Kobe. Still have those cool hints of the teams that passed on him, but this one actually includes number 13 Charlotte, which the What If pair doesn't. Ooh, let's see if we can get that to focus. Bro, what's up with the camera today? There we go. You guys can see it a little bit better, but yeah, number 13 coming in at Charlotte. Same concept with the really nice stitching throughout the entire sneaker, all white. You guys know I love the all white sneakers. And then the gold hints, a little bit of that teal blue. These are tough. But yeah, man, I just wanted to share this with you guys. It was a sweet pickup for me. I'm really glad to have gotten these. It's always fire when Kobe sneakers go to Kobe fans, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, out of the two, I don't know. Which one would you guys pick if you had the choice? Would you rather get the Charlotte pair or more so the What If? Let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, quick little video. This is your boy SNKRLife. Hope you guys enjoyed. Should I hoop in these, man? Should I hoop in these or just let them sit nicely? I don't think I have one pair of Kobe's that I haven't just wrecked from hooping. I think I'm gonna drop reviews of each pair just to show you guys what they look like on feet. Might try to take them to the court if there's anything open around here. I don't know if we have any open courts in Colorado yet. But yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. It's your boy SNKRLife. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Run it.